Good morning, sixth grade. Today I'm going to go over the Explore It stations for our Earth's Layers lesson. Remember, when you guys are going into this, you guys do not have to have the correct answer every single time. I just want you to critically think about these questions, okay? What we've learned about in the past and what you think will be the reasoning, okay? So go ahead and get out your Explore It station. That is what I'm going to go over right now. Okay, so explore number 1 says look at the model provided for you and answer the questions about the layers of the Earth on your lab sheet. Okay, so this is the model, right? We have the Earth's crust as number 1. Then we have the mantle. We have the outer core right here, and right here is the inner core. All right, so layer 1, the crust, it's called the Earth's crust. It's actually the thinnest layer and made up of mostly granite and basalt. So if you think about an apple, the outer layer of the apple, the skin, that would be the Earth's crust. Okay, so compared to that, there's a lot more going on underneath, right? So question number 1 for Explore It 2 is, do you think this is the densest layer or the least dense layer? Okay, so remember, density goes along with how heavy, how much it can be pulled down, right? So think about that. What do you think? Again, there's no right or wrong answer, just share your thoughts. Layer number 2 is called the Earth's mantle. It is the thickest layer and made up of mostly magma. Magma is lava within the Earth, and we talked about it yesterday, so only in the layer 2 in the mantle is where you find the magma. Now, in the previous lessons when we learned about plate tectonics, excuse me, the convection currents we talked about, I talked about how the convection currents within the magma in the mantle are how the tectonic plates are going to move as they heat and as it flows, okay? So question 2, why do you think we know very little about the mantle? What do you think? Does it have to do with the heat? Does it have to do with the fact that we can't go down there? What do you think? Okay, so again, no right or wrong answer. Explore number 3, Explore 4. Layer 3 is called the Earth's outer core. It is made up of mostly liquid iron and nickel. So scientists believe the magnetic properties of the Earth are caused by this layer of the Earth. So first of all, why is that? Well, that's because iron and nickel, they are going to help cause that magnetic property to occur. Okay, so that is why. And number 3, why do you think the outer core is liquid and the inner core is solid? Good question. What do you think? Okay, again, no right or wrong answer. Think about the heat, I guess, is my best way to help you. Maybe it's kind of like an oven. If you keep something in there long enough, it's going to become a solid, right? Because of that heat. Now, layer 4 is called the Earth's inner crust. Inner core. It is made up of mostly solid iron and nickel. Okay, so similar to the outer crust, but it is solid iron and nickel, not liquid. So it's different. Is the Earth's densest layer, even though it is as hot as the surface of the sun. It is a solid. So really crazy. How do you think scientists are able to study the center of the Earth? We did talk about this already, so you should probably know the answer to that. Okay, so has to do with some lines, a test they do. So yes, those are a little bit about the 4 layers of the Earth. Okay, hopefully this helps you in your work today. Let me know if you have any questions. Have a good Wednesday. Bye.